another problem sa hydrodynamics, which is hydraulics to. So, vertical motion naman. So, ako nga pala si Engineer Ace. So, umpisahan na natin. A man with a glass of water having a height of 300 mm is inside the elevator with a downward acceleration of 3 meter per second squared. So, meron daw tao na may hawak ng glass of water, which is 0.3 meters. Meters na, convert natin sa meter. Is inside the elevator with a downward acceleration of 3 meter per second squared. So, may formula to. Pinapahanap is yung pressure at the bottom of the glass. So, pag ganitong mga vertical motion, may formula dito. Tandaan nyo na lang. Pwede nyo din naman i-derive. Pero, tandaan nyo na lang itong formula. Which is, P is equals to gamma ng water or yung gamma ng liquid times yung height ng water or liquid times 1 plus or minus. Yung plus or minus, depende kapag upward daw, plus. Kapag downward, minus. Tapos A over G or gravitational acceleration yan. So, yan. Yung A, kapag sinabing accelerating, positive. Kapag sinabing decelerating, negative. Tapos, yung G is meter per second squared. Gravitational acceleration. Which is, yung pag velocity naman daw is constant. Kapag may sinabing velocity or may given, matik yung acceleration natin is 0. So, ito nga yung problem. Ito yung given. Acceleration natin is 3 meter per second squared. Downward. So, pag downward, minus. So, salpak natin yung mga given. Unit weight of water, 9.81. Yung height is 0.3 meters. Yan. Ginawa natin meters. 1 minus kasi downward. Yung sinabi niya dito is with a downward acceleration. Downward. Pababa. Minus. So, acceleration. Wala naman sinabing deceleration. So, positive 3 over 9.81. Plus equals, makukuha natin yung sagot is 2.04, which is letter A. So, be vigilant lang tayo dito. So, next problem, same pa rin. If a container containing water 0.6 meter deep is carried inside an elevator that decelerates of 2 meter per second squared, evaluate the pressure exerted by the water at the base of the container if the elevator is traveling upward. So, ito na naman, pivot. P-base or pivot. Pressure at the bottom of the container. Sinabi dito, binigay na ulit yung dip ng water, 0.60. So, hindi binibigay ni examiner yung figure, ginawan ko lang para mas maintindihan nyo. Sa pagpataas daw, so, sinabi dito is, the base of the containing if the elevator is traveling upward. So, upward. Tapos sinabi rito is, inside an elevator that decelerates. So, nagde-decelerating siya at 2 meter per second squared. So, yung A natin is matic, negative. Yan. So, salpak natin yung given. So, unit weight ng water, 9.81. Height ng water, 0.60. 1 plus, kasi upward. Giging minus lang yan pag downward. So, yung ano naman natin, yung acceleration is, sinabi natin, pati nagde-decelerate daw. Decelerates. So, negative yan. So, 9.81 ulit. Plus equal. So, 4.69 kilopascal. So, which is letter A, yung sagot. Yan. Next naman is, a tank containing 0.8 meter deep of water is transported by elevator. Meron ulit tayong tank na merong tubig na 0.8 meters. What is the pressure at the bottom of the tank when the elevator moves at uniform velocity 2 meter per second upward? So, upward ulit. Pero walang binigay na acceleration. Which is, pag ganyan, papasok na dito yung when velocity is constant, A is equals to 0. So, yung iba, nung sa exam, nilagay nila tong V dito, pinalit sa acceleration. Walang lumalabas. Or malayo. So, ang technique dito is gawin lang natin 0 kapag sinabing, pag binigyan tayo ng velocity. So, formula ulit. Unit weight ng water, 9.81. Yung height, binigay, 0.8. Times 1. Sinabi dito is upward. So, plus. Ayan, upward. 0 over 9.81 plus equal. Lalabas is 7.85 kilopascal. So, letter C. Tandaan lang natin itong mga formula. And that's all.